Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the playlist called Object-Oriented Programming in Python. I know that I have said that will, in the last video that was the last video, but I believe that there is, a couple of topics more that should be covered in object-oriented programming itself. So in this video, we are going to talk about abstract classes. So, let's just first, see a program. This is not a program of abstract class, but I'm here to just show you the idea that why we needed this abstract class. So we are having a class called myClass, and it is having a function called calculate, which is going to just print the square value is, and after that what we are doing is that we are making its object and then calling the calculate function to print all the outputs. Let's just run this program as a whole and see. Here is all the outputs that are there. So in other programming languages, like C, C++, Java, abstract methods or abstract classes are hidden methods or hidden classes, but in Python it is something like more like a method that is defined in main class in our parent class, and its definition is given in our subclasses. Just see the definition. It's method whose action is generally redefined in subclass as per requirements, and they generally don't have a body in as they are defined in subclasses, and PVM cannot allocate memory as they don't know how much memory to allocate. So let's just see how we write an abstract base class, and how we define abstract class methods. So there is a library called ABC, which ABC stands for abstract base class, and after that from small abc we are importing capital ABC and abstract method. So we are having a class called myClass, which is inheriting ABC. ABC stands for abstract base class. After that we are going to use a decorator called abstract method to tell all our other fellow programmers that yo bro, this is an abstract method, please do not write any definition inside this, and we are just passing it. And after that we are declaring subclass 1, that is inheriting myClass, and now it is gonna do it is gonna calculate the square value. Then we are having subclass 2, which is going to calculate square root, and subclass 3, which is going to calculate cube value. So the main idea of this class is that we are having a very main class that is defined by you, and all the other people that will be defining other classes, or only you, will have to follow the same way and the same procedures that you are doing in order to achieve the output of program. So it is a better way of standardizing the things, as there are too many programmers spoil the program. You must have heard about this. So that is why to work in a team, all of these things, they play a very important role. Let's just run this program, and we can see the square is 20 of 5 is 25, and square root of 100 is 10, and cube of 3 is 27. So also you can see that since we are using calculate and then again calculate and another time calculate, so we are also using polymorphism over here. Another thing that you can another example to make things much more clear is that in this program what I have done is that I am having from ABC import htrix. That means all the other libraries and all the other parts of that library will be imported in this program. And after that we are having a class called car, and class is importing abstract base class. So we are initializing it with a registration number. Every car has a registration number, and it is passed in a constructor. After that we are having a very very common thing that every car has to do to fill fuel, and to fill fuel you have to open tank. So how do you open tank? What to do after opening a tank? You fill the fuel in tank, and for the car with registration number, and printing the registration number. After that we are having two abstract classes, because steering, there are different type of steerings in every car, and there are different braking methods as well. So what we are going to do is that we are going to let's just run this program as well, and then let's just see we are having a class Audi, and it is inheriting car. just making sure that all of this part is already inherited. So all we need to define is that steering part, and already have power steering, and with that power steering you have to drive the car, and braking system already has hydraulic braking. So after that, let's just run this as well, and here is our, we are having TT model, and registration number we are providing it to 1001, and let's just run this. So fill the fuel for the car with registration number 1001. Audi has power steering, drive the car. Audi has hydraulic brakes. So yep, that's it. And after that we are having Tesla. Tesla also has power steering and they have hydraulic brakes, but they are electrical cars. So let's just run this and then show its output as well. Just see how how generalized all things are now. Writing a program is actually good thing, but writing code that other people can also understand is a very unique way and better way of doing programming. So that's it for abstract classes. In the next video we will see about interfaces and compare the difference between interfaces and abstract classes in Python. Thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope you are liking this series. If you're liking, please do subscribe and share, and yep, just till then, stay safe and keep coding.